My name is Sandu Gonzalez. I'm a fifth-year multidisciplinary studies major. I'm working on the Scube. The Scube is actually a 3D environment for users to interact with. It's actually part of an educational outreach program. And what our goal is to create a simulated environment of the solar system that users can interact with using like a Wii remote or a gyroscopic mouse. Users can navigate around the solar system and really just kind of like literally just fly around and just have fun within this immersive environment. It's aimed kind of at a younger audience because we kind of realize that kids don't really learn off PowerPoint presentations or anything like that. They're more learn through playing or learn by doing. Like our project is kind of a game in a sense, and it's relatively inexpensive as well. So in theory, other schools can create and integrate their Scube project with other Scubes. The three of us are working on building assets and building the environment so that users can interact with. I'm actually just overseeing their project right now. Like whenever they have questions, which is very often, they ask me. I took it upon myself to actually, train them with this one program, Autodesk Maya. And they actually, I taught them the basics of polygon modeling, subdivisional surface modeling, basic shading, lighting, rendering, all that stuff I taught them from the beginning. Also, we're working a lot with particle dynamics. They're learning pretty fast. I'm actually surprised. A lot of the stuff took me a while to actually master. These kids did it in just a few weeks. I'm having them actually create a simulation of the birth and death of a star. Kind of simulation of what it would be like over the course of 3 minutes, the life of a star over 14 billion years. I'm having them actually look up numbers to actually get all the scale information right, the luminosity value. Amy's getting the numbers so that Ethan can actually animate. Right now, we're building a simulation of the surface of Mars, and I'm having Ethan create the Mars Spirit rover.
And I'm building the Mars rover from reference images and going to be able to put that on the Mars surface and run the simulation. The challenge would be looking at reference images and trying to figure out how different parts work together and where they go in different sizes. You don't always get the best reference images, so you have to surf around the web for those.
The first time I did 3D design was when I first came here this summer. It's been kind of learning how people learn themselves, through the Science Education Cube, and how I'm learning the program and learning to work with the other people. It's just been a lot of learning.
I kind of have fun doing it as well, because sometimes I'll run into a problem that I don't immediately know the answer to. And I'll kind of play around with them a little bit, and they'll throw ideas here and there, and then it's kind of like a team problem solving. It's kind of fun.